Recently, more than 600 laboratory products were successfully shipped to Africa. This batch of products includes hot air sterilizers, blood and fluid warmers, etc. A hot air sterilizer is used to sterilize items not affected by high temperatures, such as glassware, porcelain, and metal surgical instruments. It has an accurate temperature control design and can accurately reach the set disinfection temperature to ensure the disinfection effect. Blood and fluid warmer is primarily used for warming and maintaining the temperature of fluids administered to the human body. If you have related product needs, please contact us.